Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by acting fast. Sign into your Apple or Google account on a second phone or computer and trigger the phone to play a sound. This gets audible location if the device is nearby and awake. Once done, check the device's last known location so you know which room or area to prioritize. Make sure Do Not Disturb won't block the sound. If needed, send a vibration requiring alert or emergency message so the missing phone responds audibly. Next, open the location map and zoom into the timestamped position to narrow your search to a building, floor, or room. If the phone shows movement, follow the trail or note the last ping. While you move, scan common hiding spots, under cushions, pockets, bags, and watch Wi-Fi network names and Bluetooth devices for proximity clues. If the map is stale, use the sound. Then walk slowly in a grid pattern so you catch subtle vibrations and improve the chance of when you find the spot, retrieve calmly. If you can't, immediately mark the phone as lost and show a contact number on screen to encourage honesty. Lock or sign out of accounts to protect data and prepare to erase only as the last resort. Make sure to inform your carrier, and if stolen, file a police report with the MA. If the device is offline, don't panic. Periodically refresh last known locations and repeat audible alerts. If they fail, revisit the most recent pinged area and retrace your steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.